Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best electric vacuum desoldering iron suction pump iron gun soldering repair tool with Welding Nozzle. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best electric vacuum desoldering iron suction pump iron gun soldering repair tool with Welding Nozzle for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. If you're in the market for a versatile and efficient tool for your electronics repair needs, the YIHUA 30W 929D-V electric vacuum desoldering iron is an excellent choice. This tool combines the functions of a soldering iron and a desoldering pump, making it a valuable asset for both professional technicians and hobbyists. The YIHUA 929D-V boasts a 30W power rating, providing sufficient heat for most desoldering tasks while ensuring precise control and efficiency. Its electric vacuum feature simplifies the desoldering process by swiftly removing solder from circuit boards, reducing the risk of damage and improving the overall quality of your repairs. This tool is ideal for handling delicate components and fine-pitch solder joints. One of the key advantages of the YIHUA 929D-V is its dual voltage capability, accommodating both 110V and 220V power sources. This flexibility is particularly useful for users across different regions or those who require versatility in their workshop setup. The inclusion of various welding nozzles enhances its adaptability, allowing you to tackle a wide range of soldering and desoldering tasks with ease. The ergonomic design of the YIHUA 929D-V ensures comfort during prolonged use, and its lightweight construction reduces hand fatigue. For those who value precision and efficiency in their repair work, this tool offers reliable performance and ease of use. Overall, the YIHUA 30W 929D-V electric vacuum desoldering iron is a robust and practical choice for anyone looking to streamline their soldering and desoldering processes. Thanks for watching the video.